Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something to my dirt bike that I've never done before in 7 years of riding. So one thing you guys probably don't know about me is I actually used to be a big trail rider back in the day. I actually used to race, and I was in the worst class that you could enter, the beginner class. But I raced and I won some trophies. They're laying somewhere around here, but I was never any good, okay? I wasn't really competitive about it, and I kind of just sucked. So with that being said, I kind of started moving over to motocross because I like hitting the jumps. It was something out of my comfort zone. And then I kind of just kept doing it. And then here we are now, multiple years later, making YouTube videos. I still suck, by the way. But one thing I've never done over all the years of riding is get my suspension done. As you guys can tell, I'm a big guy, so stock suspension parts on dirt bikes kind of suck for me. I'm always riding squatted, like a squatted truck. I'm excited about this for a certain amount of reasons. One, because I think I might be able to hit some bigger jumps if I get some kahunas. But two, because hopefully it's going to make it a lot easier to ride. Like I was saying, stock suspension isn't necessarily made for people of my size. So they ordered me some cinder blocks for my springs. I'm super excited, guys. We're going riding this weekend too. We got to go pick it up right now. And just like that, boys, we have made it home and we've got the dirt bike right here. Oh man, I'm so excited for this. Here it is, boys. I know it's a little dark, but totally different spring, different forks up here. Let's unload it, take it into the garage, and take a look at it. Yeah, I don't know about this bike collar. Y'all see this? This is what the whole way home was like. All right, guys, first and foremost, I want to thank the guys at Fast Slap Suspension for hooking me up and getting everything set up. They said that they actually watched my YouTube videos of riding to kind of gauge what my skill level was, which I thought was really cool. So that's kind of how they got the baseline set up right now. When I first sat on the bike, it's so much taller because before I would just squat the rear end like a squatted truck. Now it's actually sitting level, and it's crazy because I'm like on my very tippy toes to stand up when I wasn't before. So that is really cool. Like I said before, I can't wait to go ride Sunday because I've been waiting 7 years to do this, guys. All the bikes I had before, either I sold them before I had time to really do anything to them, or for instance, the YZ before, I don't know. I had that bike for a long time, but I just never really thought about doing it. So after hearing how much of a game changer getting suspension for your weight is, I was like, I had to do it with this bike. So it's literally the first thing I did. I put on these Chirby's guards right here, and other than that, I haven't really changed anything on the bike. So this is the first really big mod that I've done to this bike, and it's definitely the most expensive. So that's out of the way. Now I can, I want different graphics, and then I want a slip-on exhaust, and after that, it's just small things here and there. Maybe some beefier foot pegs in the future, sprocket and chain, but they're good right now. And other than that, this bike is ready to rip. So stay tuned, guys. We're going riding. I'm gonna pick you guys up on Sunday. So today's Friday. When I picked up the bike, we're going riding Sunday. For you guys, it's gonna be like 2 seconds, but for me, it's gonna be a whole 2 days. So maybe we'll feel a lot more comfortable on the track. Hopefully. I have high hopes for it, and I'll catch you guys on Sunday whenever we wake up. And just like that, it is Sunday, guys, and it is time to go ride. Now, we already got the bikes on the trailer. We just got to put it on the truck and get going. But last night, we tightened my chain because if you guys remember, it was slapping before when I was squatting the bike. And now, since I'm sitting up higher, it's definitely going to slap even more. So we got my chain tight last night. We got the race on again, boys, watching it on the way to the track. We're probably about 30 minutes out and just getting ready to put on the gear and go ride. So, well, guys, with our luck, they turned on the watering system just as we were about to go out. They got a bunch of like sprinklers out there. It's actually really cool how they can get that much water to all the sprinklers and water the track. But while we're waiting, I want to take this time and apologize. I skipped a week of videos because it was Thanksgiving break, and I decided to take a little breather for myself and just kind of get refreshed, as well as having to do like finals for school and all that stuff. It was just to get a little break. So I apologize to you guys for not having videos last week, but we're gonna continue on and make some banger content for you guys. I'll catch you guys on the GoPro right now. Got the new gloves out again today. All right, boys, here we go. There's so many gnats out here. Going out for our first runs of the day. Look at all these gnats, dude. You see all these gnats? You know what happened? I sprayed SC1 on it, and they're sticking to the SC1. Look at that. That's hilarious. It's on the seat too. Oh my God, they're everywhere. New suspension goofing. So we're just gonna take it easy on these first couple laps. Get a feel for the new suspension. We're not going and sending anything just yet. Woo! We're just gonna do a roller lap at first, and then maybe try and hit some little jumps to kind of feel the difference, because after getting it resprung and revalved, or whatever you want to call it, I don't really know how it's gonna handle. So that's kind of what today is for, just kind of like a test and tune of the new suspension, try and get comfortable with it and see how it is compared to the stock suspension. Holy crap, dude, it's totally different. Dude, I would always bottom out there before. Gonna jump this a little bit. Oh my God, dude. This is so awesome. I'm so used to just bottoming out everywhere. I can actually like ride the bike now. All right, here we go. It's time to hit a jump, boys. All right, here we go. Dude, I came up short on it and was like fine. I didn't make it all the way in, and it felt like I landed it smooth. This is so sick, dude. I'm so excited. I'm aiming to go for that that table there now. All right, here we go. I'm going for this one. Came up short, didn't bother it at all. Let's go, dude. Dude, I came up short on the finish line, no problem. Nothing. It felt like I landed it perfect, even though I know I didn't. Damn, false neutral. Perfect on that one. Charlie didn't hit it though. I thought he was going to. Nice! I'll tell you what, man, I'm so happy with this bike right now. Oh, dude, I'm literally smiling from ear to ear right now. Dude, it's crazy what a suspension setup for you is capable of, dude. Like, I'm having such a good day. It's so awesome. What a good first session, man. 10 out of 10 would recommend, guys, getting your suspension done. We're gonna take a quick break, drink some water, and I'll catch you guys back on the GoPro. All right, guys, so I don't know if you can see, but there's a little rubber band right there. That rubber band is how you gauge how much of your forks you're using. And so it's pretty far down there, but I'm guessing when it went that far, it was when I jumped that roller all the way to flat, which even startled me. So I hit that way too fast, first of all. The fact that it didn't bottom out there is very impressive. So loving it so far, and we'll be back out on the track in just a second. Am I recording? Yeah. Bet ski. Bet Scootalicious. Kiki. Hey. Oh, yeah. All right, boys, round two. Dude, I can barely touch now, and the massacre of flies is still on my front fender there. Ah! That corner's sketch, dude. Dude, I'm feeling so much more confident riding. Man, I really want to watch the Formula 1 race right now, but I have no service. That guy's smoking a cigarette while riding his spit bike. And there's also an 85 screaming in my ear. Dude, it's so loud. Feeling it, baby. I'm feeling it now, Mr. Krabs. I want to try to like reach up and grab a tear off. I think that'd be sick. I'm so like hesitant to like reach up and take my hands off the bars. I'm really trying to do it. It's just so like your brain just doesn't want to take the hand off the bars. Oh no! I pulled my goggles off of my face. It didn't want to pull, it just pulled my goggles off. I tried it though. I did it, but instead of pulling it all the way off, it just ripped my goggles to the side. No. Yeah, so probably not doing that again. Dude, it's been a great day so far. I'm really happy with this bike setup right now. Woo! I got dirt in my eye, dude. I got dirt in my eye. Ah, that's no fun. Kids, that's why you don't drop your goggles on the ground. It's because it'll get dirt in your eye. It sucks. It'll make your eye, oh, I'm in gear. I was in gear and it just started pushing me forward. That's probably not good for my starter at all. Skirt! Ski-yeet! Hey, is my GoPro recording? Hey, it's a completely different bike, man. This is the #1 mod I would recommend to anyone. If you get your suspension done, it will make a world of difference. Dude, I still can't believe I massacred a bunch of gnats. That's so funny.
I'm gonna do one more little lap and then I'm gonna pull up and shoot him.
You wanna follow me?
I'm hauling ass.
No! False neutral! I'm hauling ass. I'm right here, buddy. Hauling ass, huh? You got passed.
Yeah, because I haven't hit that.
You still got passed.
Technically, you would have crossed the finish line first.
If you ain't first, you're last. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys loved today's video because, man, this was one I've been waiting on for a while. So glad to finally have my suspension done. It makes all the difference in the world. If you aren't already, consider subscribing. And until next time, peace.